Here we are in the cabin. It's pretty cool. There's the outside. There's Franny, looking very cute. And there's the kitchen area, hangout living room area. There's the bedroom. What up? Fancy schnancy in here. Oh, Pixie. Pixie, you're a bed dog. Up on the bed. Pixie, up on the bed. Up on the bed. Let's see if she'll hop up. There she. Oh, it's a little too high up. Up on the bed. Pixie.
Yeah.
What's she doing?
She's just looking.
Okay. What else we got in here? What's this room? This is like a little. Oh, this is the
where you put your luggage.
the bathroom.
Pixie, did you just jump down from there?
It's where you take your poops. As I always said. Well, my hair looks ridiculous.
Hey, baby.
Hi. We're making a fire. Let me open this up here.
Doing the trying to do the teepee.
There we go. What? I'll use this little one too. Where's the lighter? There we go, baby.
You get to sit by the nice cozy fire.
You can see out there, it's the wilderness.
We were gonna go snowboarding, but there's not much snow. It's not like good snow.
Plus we have little Pixie girl with us, so, you know, oh, someone's being sweet. She's a mushy. Hey, show that thing where they light up the hill.
Ah.
I think that's pretty cool. I would like to do that one day. It's in the beginning. There it is. Yeah, they like light up the mountain with all these different colors. It's really cool looking. Can you imagine being on the hill with like all these different colored sections like that?
That'd be really
Fire
beautiful.
on the mountain. It'd be wild. We are inside of the lodge. It's a real cozy environment. There's that Fran. Big stone fireplace. Frances is doing her coloring book and the Pixel is snoring.
Pixie's right here, snoring away.
Oh.
Oh. There she is.
Fran, let's see what you're coloring here. Dance like no one attractive is watching.
Flowers.
Very nice.
I'm making it like a 70s vibe.
We had to close the door a little bit because there was sparks popping off onto the ground here. One almost sizzled Fran for dear life. And we gave Pixel some apple because she likes apples.
We'll have to take her on a hike before we go to the grocery store so she gets nice and tired.
Yes. That is a scientific fact.
And when we went to breakfast, she snuck out of the crate.
Oh, yeah. We put her in. She went in the crate like a good girl. But then when we came back, she was on the couch looking out the window waiting for us because she unzipped it herself. She's a little hairy Houdini. All right, ladies. What do you think?
I think the wind is cold, but the sun is warm, and the view is beautiful.
Yes, it's gorgeous. It's a nice break from the city. We'll go over the bridge.
Go over the bridge, Pixie.
Watch me slide right here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, man. Pixie has her little jacket on. Whoa.
Don't fall in that hole.
That one? Whoa! Babe, if we find a bear or a wolf, I'm gonna run and save myself. I'll tell your story though. Hey, check this thing out.
Yeah. Looks like these are benches. Maybe they do weddings over here or something.
You think so?
Maybe.
It's a cool little structure. What is it?
It's the Twin Lakes Forest Chapel. It says dedicated in honor of the founder, Lloyd B. Austin, in August 3rd, 1947.
There it is. Just in case you're wondering. Right, Pixel? You ready to head back, friend?
Yeah, it's getting cold.
All right, let's make a move. Woo, woo.
That's a girl.
That is our girl.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I see you. Where'd your little hat go that you had? Put that hat back on. What kind of hat is that?
It's a state trooper hat.
Oh my goodness, look at that hat. Pixel, be no. Shh.
Bye.
Franny,
Yeah.
where are we going?
We're going back home after getting some food.
We're going to Manja.
We gotta go make sure Pixie didn't destroy it.
Didn't tear the place up. She wouldn't let us keep her in the crate. She's not digging the small size. Sandwiches. That one's coming undone, friend. We got some soft pretzels here. Some protein, of course. You always know we gotta have the protein in there. And I'm a big time chicken wing fan. Groceries. Woo. Back up, Pix. Back. Oh. Okay, friend. It's late night, and we have a pizza here that we cooked. We gotta cut it up though, babe. And we got some wings sizzling in here. They're gonna be yum. And there's a little bit of hot sauce over here getting ready. Just finished cooking. Here are the wings. I'm definitely ready to dip into those. Fran, what's your favorite wings? Flats, or do you like the drumsticks?
Flats, just like you.
I knew the answer. I was just asking for the video. We both like flats. They're our favorite wings. And we're lucky this batch came with mainly flats and only just a couple drumsticks. And we are ready to manja.
Manja.
We got a nice toasty fire going over there. I got my Pixie girl. She's laying on me. Being a little sweetie pie. Oh, hey, we're talking about you, Pixie. Oh, she's a muffin. She makes me so cozy, comfy. Meep. All right, guys, so we're packing the last bit of luggage, and then we are about to head back down to Los Angeles. I had a lot of fun. A few years back, we stayed in the main lodge over there. Of course, now this time we're staying in a private little cottage. But what did you think about the differences between the two, friend?
I think that when we stayed in the main lodge, it's great because if you're on a little bit more of a budget, or if you're going to be spending more time on the slopes and not really spending a lot of time in the cabin, that's really all you need. The thing about the lodge is there's only 1 or 2 rooms that have their own bathroom. The other rooms share a bathroom, so it's kind of like college dorm style. The cabin is great for little romantic getaways or family events if you have kids, or if you're doing like a group event. The cabins are great for that.
Yeah,
and they let you have a dog.
That's actually definitely a huge plus. We were able to bring Pixel, and that changed the entire experience. One of the things I do remember, though, is I remember the hot cider they gave us. I remember they gave us hot cider last time when we arrived, and unfortunately they didn't have it. I know it's not a big deal, but I really liked the cider, and that's something I missed. No big deal. I would like to come back and have like maybe a party and stay in one of the bigger cabins and have more of a social event. But anyways, guys, thank you for sticking with us if you have all the way to the end of the video. We definitely really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.